Looking for a marketing agency to take your business to the next level? Make sure the agency you select is clear about how they work. I'll tell you what clear means in a minute.
Welcome to the Brand Telling Podcast, where we share secrets, systems, and strategies you can use to unleash the power of story to build and grow your brand. The Brand Telling Podcast is brought to you by the award-winning team at Communication Strategy Group, bringing a combined 50-plus years of publishing, agency, and client strategy, creative, and tactical marketing experience. Please welcome your hosts, Principal and Chief Brand Teller Arthur Germain, and Creative Director Michael Simbram.
Hi, I'm Arthur Germain. You're the Vice President or Director of Marketing for your technology, manufacturing, or professional services firm, and it's your job to outsource your marketing activities to an agency that can execute on your ideas, achieve your goals, and even come up with a few innovative ideas of their own. When you interview agencies and you have the conversation about working with them, listen very carefully to see how clear they are about working with you as a client. CLEAR is an acronym that we use to help us completely focus on our clients, and any agency you interview should follow a similar formula. If they don't, say thank you next and move on. Ain't nobody got time for lazy agencies. CLEAR stands for Clarify, Leverage, Enhance, Amplify, and Run. When you're interviewing and hiring an agency, CLEAR helps you make sure that they explain how they work with their clients like you. So let's take a look at what CLEAR means for us. Clarify. After listening to your goals, the agency should ask questions and put things into their own words to make sure you're both on the same page. If the agency can't do this, they weren't listening. Leverage. You want the agency to tell you how they will use their team, their experience, their expertise, their passion, everything under their control to provide you with the results you want. For example, we have a deep experience working with technology, manufacturing, and professional services companies, so we want to make sure and highlight how we can leverage this experience to benefit a prospective client. Enable. One of the top concerns we hear over and over from the CXO is about the lack of connection between the marketing and sales teams. Sound familiar? Don't accept this disconnect from the agency you select. Make them explain how they will leverage marketing to enable the sales team. We won the Killer Content Award from Demand Gen, not for breathtaking content, it was good, but we won it for sales enablement, where marketing content meets the customer for the biggest impact. Amplify. What are some of the ways that the agency can share and amplify your message and campaign? Is the agency a one-trick pony that talks about digital marketing without explaining exactly how that might be part of an overall campaign strategy? Don't let the agency get away with throwing a few terms around. Make them explain how they will take your base message and amplify it via a variety of vehicles, and ask them for examples of their work. And Run. This may be why you're looking for an agency or a replacement agency in the first place. Does your current agency wait for you to tell them what to do? Do they have a process to follow when it comes time to run with your marketing ideas, campaigns, programs, and activities? Make sure they have an agenda and make sure they follow it. If your agency proves that they can be clear, C-L-E-A-R, about how they will work with you, you'll be better positioned to achieve your marketing goals. This has been Arthur Germain at Communication Strategy Group. Thank you for joining us at the Brand Telling Podcast.
Build a better brand story for your business. Schedule a complimentary consultation with the brand tellers at Communication Strategy Group. Send a note to contact-us at gocsg.com or visit us at communicationstrategygroup.com/contact.